Ready to unlock the mysteries of Temu Black in Parasprunki and discover a whole new dimension of this virtual world. First, you'll need to locate the Events tab within the main Parasprunki menu. This is your gateway to special challenges and limited opportunities. It usually has a little star or notification icon on it. When something new is available, click on that. Now, look for an event specifically named something like Shadow Scavenger Hunt or Midnight Bloom Festival. The key here is that it contains hints related to darkness, shadows, or anything black. These events are time sensitive, so act fast. Follow the event instructions meticulously. This often involves completing a series of in-game tasks, such as collecting specific items, solving puzzles, or interacting with certain NPCs. Non-player characters in the game world pay close attention to the dialogue of the NPCs, because they are usually clues. Upon successfully completing all the tasks in the designated event, you'll receive your reward Temu Black. It will appear as a new item in your inventory or a new customization option in your profile. Now you can access exclusive features, content, and customization options that Temu Black unlocks, personalizing your Parasprunki experience like never before. Enjoy the shadows. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Parasprunki secrets. Let us know in the comments what you want to learn next.